Bloody Mary rose fish, yes?
No. Bloody Mary, yeah.
I see the vision.
No, for true. Wow. Why can you like this every day? Bring me on the beach every day. No, this is...
Well done. Well done, Sean.
Big up you. Like you see, you go still out of holy big leaf. Alright, well, let me wash these bad boys. Here, actually, and oh, don't mind that holy knife too, because I'll slice it up after. Ready? Backside too.
Oh, good job, buddy. And give me
And you hold
this. Yes.
Son! Huh. Like it all.
That's it.
You can share.
Ooh,
Don't cut yourself, that's it?
I got it.
You good?
Yeah, the back of the leaf touch the ground with this
Okay,
one.
good. Get crispy. Yeah.
Right here, so we're by the beach here with two beautiful friends, and today we're going to be making some Bloody Mary seasoned whole red snapper fireside for y'all. So let's go, ladies. Jump in. Just some Bloody Mary for y'all to add into y'all, and I'm going to make mine from scratch to show the viewers. So of course we are going with some fresh green seasoning, some Worcestershire, however you pronounce this sauce.
Right.
We're going with a little pimento sauce.
How you going there now?
Real good.
You add your thing?
Yep.
Salt. Just get some black pepper down.
Yep.
Some black pepper.
Oh my, this alone, look at this red. Smelling incredible.
I was now gonna say.
Got some Bloody Mary. You had your Bloody Mary already?
I did.
You know it's in here.
I done shake and crack already.
Tiffany, I don't do that.
Alright, so y'all could go ahead and pour it directly onto your fish. Inside the fish, behind the fish, everywhere.
I'm gonna pour here and rub
Everywhere.
it in and then...
Everywhere. And you'll be doing this directly on the fig leaf because we don't want to lose any flavor. We're not losing any seasoning here today. Get all of that on the fish. We're going to seal this up. They're just going to steam directly over the fire. Oh yeah, get that all and all behind the eye. It's not really good. So they make pasta already, and so they know how to wrap this, right?
I feel like my fish anyway. Hold on, another thing on top. Any eye. I fish eyes stay around it.
Tiff, you eat any fish eye?
No, it was
Don't
like
fall
hurt.
in one of your hole. You ain't paying fit, you know.
I-
Just fall in one of them.
Okay, okay. Better.
Right, now it's looking good. Alright, so we're sealing now.
So hold on. How you
Foil.
Oh, you're going one
Yeah,
side?
go straight over with the foil. Wrap that side, straight over.
Top. To top. Oh,
Right, that's alright. Right, just fold it in.
okay.
Fold this in. Fold
Yeah.
the sides in.
Like
No
an
sauce
envelope.
shall escape.
Tighter. That's good.
So we know who is
Straight
who?
on the grill.
And here
I on the
is
end there.
Tiff.
Yeah. Okay, five. Oh wait, I can pack this back.
Alright, so fish is ready. Let's sit here. Ladies, while I take off the fish and put on the next round, y'all get started on the cocktail now.
No problem.
Yep.
Alright, so up next we have our spicy sunset cocktail. Alright, Dom, so go ahead. We're gonna pour a majority of this in. You back up a little bit.
Say when.
Alright, you pour on, man. Keep going. Now, keep pour. Let me see. Right, that's good. Alright, going next with some vodka. And you're pouring all.
All the vodka.
That's a lot of vodka. Right. Some lime juice. going on. Some orange. Alright, so now this is up to you here, using your judgment. You're gonna do a little salt and black pepper inside. So pour till your heart tell you stop. Sprinkle, sorry, tell your heart tell you stop. I know that's not all you're putting.
Should I put more salt?
I know that's not all you're putting, yeah.
Maybe I'll put more salt, but I feel like that's...
one more. No, the black pepper is fine.
Yeah, I think
find
so.
that good. Alright.
Put
and
salt
now-
until Tiff's heart
Come on.
feels good.
And for our spoon, we have, celery, keep it with,
The Bloody Mary
vibe,
theme,
correct.
yep.
Alright, we're just gonna let this sit until we're ready to serve.
It doesn't smell strong, it smells like flavorful.
No, it does, yeah. Have a nice, yeah.
I love that.
Alright, so we're gonna pour these up now. Give it a little mix. Wonderful.
There you
I'll
go.
ahead and pour.
Yep. You want me to hold it for you? You got it?
I got it.
Oh, I love the
There you go.
consistency.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Alright, cheers.
Cheers.
This is interesting.
It is interesting.
But it's not bad. I don't hate it.
I have never had a Bloody Mary.
Yeah, so I'm quite surprised.
Like food and a drink.
In one. I have a little. And as it get cold with the ice, yeah.
I see why you told me like put like plenty salt and black pepper.
Come on, you see.
Tiff knows.
So
Who is this
we
here?
drinking it.
That one was mine. Mine was on the end.
I know which one is mine.
She's so beautiful.
I know which one is mine.
Oh yeah.
Looks so good. You're excited to see yours.
No, for sure. I want to see like she busting, so I want to know what's going on inside.
Yeah.
Oh,
Mhm.
so
I
yeah,
like that
sure.
shot.
Yeah.
Ooh, I hope mine burn up too.
You like the bun one then?
Send mine back if it's not bun. I like the bun for sure.
What we saying there, Queen? She saying thing?
She said start over.
Wow. She said, put me back.
It looks so good.
This one look real good.
Who's who here? Well, I touched this one.
That's fine.
Okay. Claim she fish right.
I tryna dig in there. Alright, so we going in?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Hold on.
Texture.
Dippy.
Yeah, a little dip in the sauce. I ain't seen no sauce.
A little dip in the sauce.
I have sauce.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
No, nothing like that. You see like a roast fish like this? Or?
Jeez.
Oh yeah.
No.
No, this is, wow.
Bloody Mary roast fish, yes?
No, Bloody Mary, yeah.
I see the vision.
No, for true. Wow. Why can you like this every day? Bring me on the beach every day. No, this is...
Well done. Well done, Sean.
Big up you. I'm not overpowering. Taste it with that. And how we going? I like this. This is real. It's,
I like it.